Okay, here we go. It's unboxing time. Today, guys, we're going to be unboxing the Batman 4K and Blu-ray. Heck yeah. Let's go. Haven't seen this film yet, but I definitely want to. And I probably will right away. Sometimes it takes me a while to get around to a film, but this one I want to probably see right away. We're going to have to give away that digital code, guys. Okay. One lucky person's going to get this bad boy. Digital code, there you go. There's the digital code. It is good for a while. On the back, whatever. So let's see here, the front here, we got the spine, Warner Brothers. We got the back here, over 2 hours of special features on the Blu-ray. Nice. I believe that's what the third disc is for. Yeah. Oh, one of this popped out. It's alright. Okay. Let's see here. We got the 4K disc here, all in black. We got the Blu-ray here in red. And we got the special features on the third disc, which is cool. Heck yeah. So there you have it, guys. That was my unboxing of the 4K / Blu-ray movie of the Batman. That is it for now. I'm out of here. Later.